I got some fresh leaves for him.
Okay, he wants his green first. Caden.
Okay,
Is that a hungry goat?
Okay, he loves green, Mom.
Yeah.
Who's
that, Caden? The other goats are not happy.
Get some more leaves for him. He won't eat. Mommy.
Oh no, my battery's dying. Let him have it, Caden. Give him the food.
Caden, do you want a leaf?
It's enough, Munch.
Do you want some leaves, Caden?
Simone, give it a rest. He needs to eat the grain first. Caden, give him the food, honey. Caden wants to yell at the other goats for being too loud.
I want to hold it.